The abbreviation FLO means that you should crochet through the front loop only. So what is a front loop? It's really important to first make sure that the right side of your piece is facing out. And you can tell because the right side of your piece only is made up of a bunch of vertical V's. There should be no horizontal bars. If the wrong side of your piece is facing out, you would see a bunch of these horizontal bars. So just make sure you have the right side of your piece facing out before you decide where the front and back loop of a stitch is. So to crochet, for example, a single crochet stitch into the back loop only, you're going to put your hook under just the back loop of the horizontal V, from the front to the back of the piece like normal. And you're going to do the rest of your stitch totally like normal. So it should look like you've got 2 strands of yarn on your hook, yarn over, and bring that yarn just through the hole you just put your hook into. So now you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again, and bring that yarn through both loops on the hook. Now to do the next stitch, in this case the next single crochet, in the next back loop, you want to look for the next available horizontal V that is not being split apart by the yarn that you just crocheted into it. So you want to put it in this hole here. Do a single crochet stitch like normal. And I'm going to do a few more stitches to show you what it looks like when you have done a bunch of single crochet stitches in the back loop only. Now I've made a bunch of single crochet stitches through the back loop only, and that's why I'm left with this ridge. This ridge is all the available front loops that I didn't crochet into. And oftentimes when you crochet something through the back loop only, it's because later on in the pattern, you're going to be asked to do a slip stitch join or crochet into these remaining front loops. So now you know where those remaining front loops are.